All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back again. It's the end of the month, so you know what that means. We're back again with another monthly update. So let's not waste any time, and I'm going to go ahead and dive into the phone. All right, so let's go ahead and click year to date. So for November, I did, well, actually, let's go back. So far for the year, I've done 29,390 some dollars. For November, I did $4,798 in sales. Let's go ahead and go to my seller board and dive deeper into the numbers. So $4,797.94. I had 227 orders and I sold 254 units. I had 4 refunds. My gross profit was $1,211.79, and my net profit with all my software fees and stuff taken out is $1,129.09. So I was right whenever I said that I could possibly break 4 figures in November, which I did, and that's pretty good. So let's go deeper into the numbers. Let's see. My margins was 23% and my ROI was 62%. Pretty much it. And my total cost of goods that of everything that was sold was $1,812. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this monthly update. So I think next month, I don't. Celebrate is predicting that I'm gonna do like $1,250 in net profit. I don't think that's gonna happen. I think I might make around, let's say, probably like 700, 800. I don't think 1250. I've sold like, I would say like 80, no, 70% of the Q4 items that I planned on selling for Q4. I've sold most of it. So stuff that's left is stuff that I'm just trying to price match and just liquidate so that I can get that money and start January off pretty good. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. So see you in the next update, or probably going to do a shipment today. So might record that.